Okay, I don't have my microphone with me, but of course the first thing that I'm going to have on Margaritaville, a cheeseburger in paradise. Are you kidding me? It's a smash burger. That's what I loved about it when I saw it in there. I'm like, oh my god, it's a smash burger. I am so happy about this. I hope you can hear me okay. Again, I don't have my microphone on. Look at it. Oh my god. I've been thinking about this on my entire 2-hour drive to get here. Mmm. Oh, that's a good burger. Oh wow. Okay, I've never had a guy burger, so I don't know. I've had Shack chicken. Shack chicken is amazing. That is a dang good burger, let me tell you. Messy, but it is a smash burger in there. Oh my god. Okay, this is a cheeseburger in paradise, and I'm on the Margaritaville Islander. A good start on this cruise. That's a good way to start a Margaritaville cruise.